I'm Robert with Habitat for Bats. Thought I would do another FAQ video for you today. We sometimes get calls in. I've got one here. They want to know how many bat houses are needed for an open area, and the area is described as a floodplain and it's full of mosquitoes. In a large open area, there's no specific requirement for the number of bat houses. It's really about the bats that are going to be using the area to feed and forage. So in an area like an open floodplain or a natural area, 1 or 2, even 4-chamber bat houses. I would always lean toward the larger bat houses in a good location because you may get a maternal colony there, and the larger bat houses are more suitable for those. But whether you put up 1, a dozen, it's really up to how much you want to provide roosting locations for bats in the area that will determine how many bat houses you want to put up. Now, about the mosquitoes, there may be a lot of mosquitoes in the area, and that's fine. Bats will eat mosquitoes, but I never encourage anyone to think of bats as a mosquito control solution. It's not. Bats are part of a bug control solution. Mosquitoes are bugs that they will encounter. It will reduce the population of all bugs in an area, not just mosquitoes. But you don't put up bat houses and get huge colonies of bats and expect no mosquitoes to continue to exist. That's not how it works. Anyone that's just trying to tell you that bats are mosquito control and putting up a bat house will eliminate the mosquitoes is simply trying to sell you a bat house. And that's never been what we're about. We're about understanding bats, educating about bats, and providing an expanding bat habitat from the bat's point of view, i.e. more roosting places that are out there for them. So feel free to put up as many bat houses out there as you want, as is practical. But a good solution that we've seen implemented over and over is a 3 bat house position. For example, you would put up 3 poles for bat houses. You would vary their location a little bit, making one kind of ideally suited, facing the prescribed directions in a particular location, and then off to either side of that one installation by as much as 40 or 50 feet even, you can put additional bat houses up to give the bats more of an opportunity to find their sweet spot when they roost in those bat houses. So I hope that answers some of your questions. Please like and subscribe, and we'll be bringing you more videos in the future.